Hello students, this is the first session of the chapter phenols and here you can find classification, acidic nature, comparison of acidic strength of phenol with alcohol and monocarboxylic acids, then effect of electron withdrawing groups as well as electron donating group on acidity of phenols at ortho, meta as well as para positions. Phenols are compounds containing an OH group attached directly to an aromatic ring and they can be represented with this molecular formula CH5OH. So these are phenol representation. They can be classified into monohydric, dihydric as well as trihydric depending on the number of OH group attached to the phenyl group. So this is monohydric alcohol which is phenol. Even para-hydroxytoluene also can be given as an example for monohydric alcohol. This is catechol which contain two hydroxyl group attached to phenyl ring. So this is 1,2-dihydroxybenzene or ortho-hydroxyphenol or this is catechol. If it is 1,3-dihydroxybenzene, this will be resorcinol, and if it is 1,4-dihydroxybenzene, that is termed as quinol. And this is an example for trihydroxybenzene or fluoroglucinol. So phenols can be classified depending on the number of OH group attached to it as monohydric, dihydric as well as trihydric phenols. Coming to acidity of phenols, phenols are more acidic than alcohols, but they are less acidic to carboxylic acids, which can be explained based on resonance theory. Let us see the resonating structures of phenol. These are the resonating structures of phenol which are resulting by the movement of electron, lone pair of electron from oxygen atom and the double bond which are in conjugation in the benzene ring. So through the movement of this electron and the double bonds we get 6 resonating structures, but there will be a plus charge on oxygen and minus charge on the aromatic ring throughout the structures. Whereas when we see the resonating structures of phenoxide ion which is resulted by the deprotonation of phenol molecule, phenol ring, then that resonating structures are more stabilized as there is only one negative charge. There is no positive and negative charge, only negative charge is there on all the resonating structures. So compared to phenol, this phenoxide ion resonating structures are more stable because in the previous case we have dipolar structure, positive and negative charges, whereas here we have only single charge throughout the structures of phenoxide ion. So this makes phenoxide ion more stable than phenol, and so phenols are acidic and they will be more acidic to alcohol, because we know in alcohol there will be an alkyl group which is electron donating. So RO minus will not be stabilized because alkyl group is having a positive or plus I inductive effect. So it cannot stabilize the RO minus. So compared to phenoxide ion, RO minus will be less stable. So these alcohols are, aliphatic alcohols are less acidic to phenols. But when we compare with carboxylic acid which has the molecular formula RCOOH, then the carboxylate anion will be having the formula RCOO minus, where the resonating structures, both resonating structure will have the negative charge spreaded between two oxygen atoms in carboxylate anion, whereas in the case of phenoxide ion, the negative charge will be spreaded between oxygen as well as carbon. So as oxygen is having more electronegativity and oxygen can hold the negative charge better, and so this carboxylate anion will be more stabilized than phenoxide ion, and so carboxylic acids are more acidic to phenols. Let us discuss about the effect of electron withdrawing as well as electron donating group on acidity of phenol. There are a few examples for electron withdrawing groups like NO2, nitro group, chloro group, cyano group, aldehyde group, carboxy group. All these are electron withdrawing groups. Whenever such groups are present on this phenoxide ring, whether it will be stabilizing the phenoxide ring or it will be destabilizing the phenoxide ring. So we can see here NO2 group is attached at the para position, and here we have a structure where negative charge is there on the para position. One of the phenoxide ion resonating structure contain negative charge on the para position. So this structure will be very stabilized because NO2 group is electron withdrawing. So because this structure is highly stabilized, NO2 group can, or all electron withdrawing group when present in the aromatic ring, can stabilize the phenoxide anion, and so they will be acid strengthening or they will be increasing the acidity of phenol. Whereas in the case of electron donating groups like methyl group, methoxy group or amino group, when such a negative charge is present on the same carbon which carry the electron withdrawing group, electron donating group, they will destabilize the structure, as these structures are having plus I inductive effect. So they will be still more increasing the negative charge instead of stabilizing. So the group with electron donating inductive effect will be destabilizing the phenoxide ion, or they will be acid weakening. They will be decreasing the acidity of phenol. So electron withdrawing group will increase the acidity and electron donating group will be decreasing the acidity. So in this session we have seen the definition and the molecular structure of phenol, then classification, then acidic structure, acidic nature, whether it is more acidic to alcohol or whether it is less acidic to carboxylic acid. All these points we have seen. Then extent of acidity means comparison between alcohol and carboxylic acid, and also the effect of NO2 and CH3 group on the acidity of phenols.